Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lexi, this is Jesse.
Hi.
And he is my boyfriend's brother. Just, right? That sounded terrible.
No, it was good.
Okay, so he is in from the Air Force. He's in Italy right now for about 2 years now. So he actually just came and surprised his mom. There's actually a video over on Tessas Channel. I'll link it down below of him coming home. But tonight we're going to do a get ready with me. And we're going to go out to the club tonight. So let's just get started and let's have fun and just get ready.
Fun.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jesse. She was accurate. I'm her boyfriend's brother.
You're my boyfriend.
Her boyfriend's brother. I do live in Italy. I'm in the Air Force. I'm stationed in Aviano. Fun.
Ooh, fun.
Aviano.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. And yeah, we also did a video today on Tessa's channel. We
Yeah,
did
I'll link everything down below.
Mouth guard challenge. It was pretty funny. So
cool. All right, how are we gonna start? You want to prep?
We're gonna prep.
So I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha silk canvas. I don't really use this that often, but
I've never put makeup on
it's just
before.
too expensive for me to use it every day. Well, honestly, I only use it like...
This is very expensive.
Yeah, it's too expensive for me.
I would love to own this. How much do you put on?
I just take...
My hands are clean, by the way.
I don't really care. I'm probably not clean. I'm totally kidding. I mean,
I wouldn't actually hold you
if the shoe fits.
If the shoe fits.
So
you are what you eat.
Oh God. Okay, so basically, this is just kind of like good for smoothing out any pores. For me, I don't really use it that often because I'm very oily and I feel like it leaves like an oily base. I'm not sure. I mean, it's good. Definitely not worth $80, but
I guess I'm done.
Oh, do you need more?
No, that's okay.
Oh, look at him. Throwing shade. Okay, so. Oh, so he wasn't done. He wasn't kidding. You were not kidding.
You have a little dry skin right there?
Yeah, that's not cute. Was that on me this whole time? What happened?
Too. I think she made you go exfoliate real quick.
No, it's from tanning.
Oh, it's gone.
Okay, that definitely just happened for me putting that on.
No, it was on in the car.
And you didn't
no
call me
shade.
out.
No, because why would I?
Honestly, you're not a true friend.
She's not a person you call out.
Not a true friend. Okay, well, I was over here not even
How long have we been friends for?
Too long.
10 years? No, 11 almost. I think.
It's 6th grade.
Since 6th grade.
How old is that?
When she turned around and called me a name that we don't talk about.
This is hilarious. So, I'm dating his brother now. We've been together for 7 years. But when I first moved to Norwin, we were in lunch line and Jesse goes, "Oh, you're so hot." I go, "You're gay." Even before he knew he was gay.
Oh,
I called him out way before that.
There it is.
Okay, so I'm going to go with foundation.
Foundation.
Have you ever used this?
No.
Okay, it's like cheap, but it's the best foundation.
Not cheap.
See, I've never used that.
He's Tarte.
Is it like full coverage?
Yes.
See, okay, so I use the Super Stay from Maybelline. Literally, I feel like it is
What's your shade?
312.
Oh, I'm using 2 today. I'm using light, medium sand, and medium honey.
Mine's golden.
If you see a ring right here, Lexi gave me a spray tan.
He just did not exfoliate, okay? Don't call me out.
Her spray tan was good.
Alright, I'm going with my Eco Tools brush. It's actually really good.
I'm using Junoco.
Never heard of it.
It's the ones that make the sponge with the microfibers on it.
Okay, you're like, I'm a makeup artist and you're more advanced than me. Like, what is this?
Oh, I didn't,
What?
color correct my pimple, but it's okay.
Oh, you still have time. We didn't do it yet.
What?
You still have time to do it. You didn't even cover your pimple yet.
Oh, okay, you're right.
I mean, if you still want to.
Yeah, you do it first.
So, I went tanning, so my skin's super dry right now. So, if you see a little patchy, that's why. Apparently. So, I like see these little bumps right here. I get that after tanning. It's like a heat rash.
Oh.
It's like the worst thing ever, but whatever.
Do you set your color correction powder? Somebody told me to do that.
No, you never do liquid before powder.
Yeah, I know, because they can congeal. I didn't mix. What am I doing?
What does congeal mean?
Like, congeal.
I would love to know.
Like when 2 textures become one. I don't know. It congeals.
You're hilarious. I think you make up words.
No, I don't think that's a natural. Yeah, I think it's a makeup word. It's like when you put like. You ever see those videos when they like do.
Leave a comment down below if you know what congeal means because I don't think we do. I'm just being honest.
I do. It's like, you ever see one of those videos where
okay, look how red my chest is. And then look how, like, yellow my face is. I am not cute right now.
No, you just don't know how to color match.
Oh, okay. I'm just not used to being this red. I just went tanning today. Whatever.
Is that brush good?
I actually really like it.
Yeah, this is a $5 brush.
This is a $12 brush, but it's pretty dang good. It's really soft, and it blends out so easily.
Cut that out.
We're so bad.
Just dropped my sponge. What do you want to talk about?
Let's talk about something juicy. You know what that means. So how about you tell us a little bit about Italy, because we don't know anything about it. Like, what's your favorite thing to do? Like, what's the best part about it?
Okay, so when I first went to Italy, so I was in Korea first, and I got to choose to go to Italy. And that was my dream base. I always said, oh, I always wanted to go to Italy. Who doesn't want to go to Europe, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah. And so I got to choose Italy. And when I got the assignment saying that hold on, I'm messing up.
Restart.
That I got the assignment saying Italy, I was so excited. I had to call home immediately. But my mom's reaction to it, she cried.
Well,
she was
yeah.
sad because I was in Korea for a year, you know?
Well, Korea's nuts too. Who would ever expect to go to Korea?
Oh, I love Korea.
Do you think Korea is better than Italy?
Yes. The Korean culture is so amazing. So amazing. Their products out there are really good too. You use any Korean products? Like mask or anything?
No.
Lotions? Oh, amazing.
I'm sorry, my chest is so red. I didn't realize. Wow.
But, so like the first 5 months, let me tell you.
You just cut me off.
You've been cutting me off this whole time.
Oh, okay, hurry up because I'm almost done.
You're almost done with what?
Everything.
Your whole face? Oh, we're gonna be here for a second for me. So I was really shock factor like the first 5 months. Like, it was like crazy. Like, living in Italy is crazy. Yeah. I got to see everything I wanted to see. I live an hour from Venice, so I went to Venice 10 times. And it's amazing. But after that, it's very country out there, and I'm a city boy. I'm a city boy. So I miss Pittsburgh. If I could choose to live anywhere, it'd either be San Francisco or LA. 100%.
Me too.
100%.
I'm actually going to California in 17 days.
I'm so jealous. Coming from the person that lives in Italy, I'm so jealous.
Well, I mean, I think it's going to be crazy. I'm going to Santa Monica. That's where we're staying. But that's 30 minutes from LA.
You want to tell your subscribers why you haven't been uploading lately? Because I watch your videos and I look forward to your videos. The real juiciness is there really isn't any juiciness. I'm just tired. She's a businesswoman. Yeah, you guys know I own my salon. I work literally like 8 to 8 most days. So when I get home, I go to the gym. I come home, it's like 10 o'clock at night. So it's really hard for me to do everything. I'm gonna try to get back on. You're in a motion. Like, it's just like I need to put priorities first, and YouTube is like, I want to be on YouTube, but it's hard. Your Instagram's amazing though. Good. You're good at keeping up uploads on Instagram. I try. I try to keep like be on there. Oh, you'll be fine. I try to be on social media some way, somehow, but it's hard, you know. Yeah. But I mean, I'm hoping to make a comeback and stay on here. I just wish there was more hours in the day. Is there a lot of pressure from social media? Keeping up with it? No. I just like it. I just think it's fun. For me, I do it because I like it. Not really because like it's the thing to do. It's just okay. He's into his phone right now. So apparently, I mean, there's a lot of people here on YouTube and a lot of people that do makeup videos and, you know, but for me, I do it only because I think it's fun. It's fun to like do reviews and just try out different makeup. And it's fun because, I don't know, it's like stepping outside of your comfort zone. Just, you would think that talking to a camera is so easy because it's like nobody, but it's really difficult sometimes. Like, it's just like, it's hard to be yourself. Yeah. But I've done this a couple times though. Like, my friends in Italy like to like post on their Instagram stories. Yeah. And I'll kind of just be there and yeah, it's fun. I had a highlighter in this, the Naked Decay Naked Skin. This is really good. But it was right here and it broke. So you don't use it no more? No, because it was broke. Look at the glow. Look at the glow on my nose. Yeah, I'm gonna have to borrow that. Kill me.
It's just so pretty, like inner corners and everything.
But you don't put eyeshadow on at all. Mm-mm. Do I look okay? I think my skin looks good.
Yeah. This is the best lighting you could get. If you weren't the right color, you would not be here. Or you would see it. Okay, going in with lips, I'm using literally the lip I always use in every single video, which is a problem, but it's just so good. It's Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. Only thing though, it really doesn't last that long, which is a problem, but...
How long does it last?
It just wears off, like, if you're eating. But, like, my Dolce K from Kylie doesn't do this. I just don't have it with me right now.
You hear him?
You could definitely hear Chad calling my cat. Sorry.
Your lipstick is not natural. Like, I go for, like, it's my skin but better, you know?
This is natural for women.
Yes. And this is like boy glam without eyeshadow and eyeliner.
Like, all he does, he doesn't really even, like, do makeup. He just does, like, he just wants to, like, conceal and, like, just fake it till you make it, right?
Ken. This doesn't look like a Ken doll.
I mean, you don't have to wear makeup for that. Like, look at him.
What does this mean?
You're just perfect.
Aww.
Hey, there's your compliment.
Thanks.
He was just talking about it in the car that I don't compliment him.
No, it's not that. That's just not her love. Speak. I don't know how to say
like
that.
It's just like not my norm.
I'm a toucher and I express verbal.
That was so dangerous.
That's so funny. Yeah, but that's just how I express love. Where's your highlighter? And your highlighting brush.
Yeah, no, I'm like, he's very affectionate.
Where's your highlighting brush?
I just use this. It's not really a highlighting brush, but I could have put mine.
Oh my god, this is...
It's like really, it's perfect. But anyways, he's very affectionate and I'm not.
Yes, I am.
Like, for me to show my love, I do things for you. Like, I'll...
Yeah.
You know?
And you definitely have done that. Like, you've been... And you're a sweetheart, too, though.
I just...
You show it. You're verbal about it. You're just not going to sit here and say, oh, Jessie's so pretty, or I love you out of nowhere, you know?
Can I use your setting spray?
My what?
Setting spray?
No. No.
Is it always out?
No.
What?
It's handmade. It's hairspray mixed with water.
Oh, JK, I don't want it at all. Okay, look at him. This looks like all-nighter, and it's not.
No. You know how much money this is? $32 for how many ounces? Maybe 15 in here?
Oh, someone Venmo him.
Please.
Gosh. He's like, no, you can't.
I make good money, but like,
I thought he was being rude. Like, no, you can't use it.
No,
That's like acne waiting to happen. There you go.
Yeah, no, that's not from that. I left this on too long.
Doubt it.
No, I've been doing it for a while now.
Okay, this is my makeup. I'm done.
Oh, do you wear blush? You want to blush? No. This is Orgasm from NARS. Amazing. Wait, just watch.
I don't do blush. I just do the bronze look. I just do the bronze. The bronze. I like that. I mean, I go through phases.
Look at that. The sun kiss moment?
Yeah, I like it. I definitely like it, but I go through phases where I'm like, you know, I'm just going for the bronze. Or...
I like looking burnt.
I already am burnt. Like, look at my chest.
I put it up here sometimes.
Like on your nose?
Like, look burnt. Okay, we'll probably scratch all of this, but...
No. Okay, so that is it for our Get Ready With Me. Hopefully he can come back on my channel whenever he gets home for good. But I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And subscribe to... No, I don't want that. And subscribe to Tessas Channel that I'm going to link down below. But yeah, thanks so much for coming on.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Well, I'll probably be back.
He'll be back for sure.
Because you're going to start vlogging every day.
We're going to vlog. We're going to upload again.
And I'm part of her life, so...
We're back.
We're back.
But
you're back.
I'm back. He's going to be back in Italy, but whenever he's back for good, I'm sure he'll be on my channel a lot. But thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.